How to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn off the autoplay on YouTube. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So in order to turn off the autoplay on YouTube, head over to the YouTube application. In the bottom, you'll be finding different options. Go ahead and locate up your account in the bottom right corner. And once you're here, in the top right corner, you'll be finding a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it and open up your settings. Under here, scroll down and go to playback option. Tap on it and you'll be finding this option with an enable or disable option. So I can go ahead and turn it off by tapping on it and it will turn gray, which means it has been turned off. So that is it. You can follow up this method in order to stop autoplaying on YouTube by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.